Hi guys, good day. It's me, Teacher MJ. Our topic for today class, it's all about solving for commission and commission rate. So without further ado, let's do this topic. Now we will have 3 examples class for you to really understand this one. Now before we start with example number 1 class is we need to define first what is commission and commission rate. Now commission, it refers to the amount of money earned by a person from selling something. And commission rate, percent taken off from the selling price of the item sold. Now this will be the formula class to get the commission. So we have the commission. I will just write C class since we don't have enough space. Commission is equal to the total sales multiplied by the commission rate. And to get the commission rate is equal to the commission divided by the total sales times 100%. Alright, let's start with example number 1. John works as a real estate agent. He has just sold a house that's worth 1,800,000 pesos. If John makes a 3% commission, how much money did he make when he sold the house? Alright, so once again, first thing that you need to do class, when you work on problem solving, you need to understand the problem. Now, once you understand the problem class, you answer these following questions. Letter A, what is asked? Letter B, what is the formula to be used? Letter C, the solution. And letter D, what is the final answer? Alright, so letter A, what is asked? So what is asked? The question there is how much money did he make when he sold the house? So you can write it there class. What is asked? How much money did he make when he sold the house? Or you can write how much money did John make when he sold the house? So you can also write it there class. Since we don't have enough space, thus I don't have the space to write that one. Once again, what is asked? You can write how much money did he make when he sold the house? You can write it there. Or you can write it there, how much money did John make when he sold the house? So you can write it there for what is asked. Now, since we don't have enough space class, if I will write it here, I'm sure we don't have enough space for our solution. So I will just write the amount of money, okay, the amount of money John will make. John will make. And what is the formula to be used? So the formula to be used, we have this formula to get the commission. We're told to find the commission. Okay, so the commission is equal to the total sales multiplied by the commission rate. So the formula is C, or commission. So commission, alright, is equal to total sales. I will just write TS class, total sales multiplied by the commission rate. Now in your end class, just write total sales, the whole word class total sales multiplied by the commission rate. So I will just write CR, commission rate, since we don't have enough space class for our solution. Alright, and the solution, we're told to find the solution. So this will be our solution here. I will just write C for our solution. Alright, solution. So once again, the formula, commission is equal to the total sales multiplied by the commission rate. And the total sales, we have 1,800,000 pesos. So 1 million. Simply substitute class the value of the total sales. Once again class, our total sales, that's 1,800,000 pesos. So 1,800,000 pesos times the commission rate, that is 3%. So times 3%. Alright, so this will be 1,800,000 pesos times, now what is 3% class? You change that one into decimal class. So 3%, change that one into decimal. Just simply move the decimal point. Once again class, for any whole number, the decimal point is after 3. So the decimal point is here. Just simply move the decimal point right to left twice to convert percent into decimal. 1, then 2. That's it. So that would be 0.03. Once again, 3% is equivalent to 0.03. If you're confused with this one class, simply divide class. You can divide class. You can divide 3 divided by 100 and you will get 0.03. Alright, so this will be 1,800,000 pesos multiplied by 0.03. So simply use your calculator class and you will get the answer. Alright, so 1,800,000 pesos times 0.03. And you will have 54,000 pesos. So the commission that John will make, that would be 54,000 pesos. That's it, class. Easy as that, class. This will be our solution. And our final answer, class, you write your final answer here. That would be 54,000 pesos. Alright, you can write commission, class. Commission is equal to, so final answer, that would be, we don't have enough space, class. So final answer, that would be C is equal to 54,000 pesos. This will be the commission, class, that John will make. The amount of money that John will make, class, that would be 54,000 pesos. That's it, class. That's the example number 1, class. Alright, let's work on another example, class. Example number 2. Alright, let's work on example number 2. Peter is a salesman and earns a base salary of 4,500 pesos per week plus 8% commission on sales. What was Peter's weekly salary if his total sales for the week were 24,600 pesos? Now, once again, class, first thing that you need to do, you understand the problem. Now, once you understand the problem, class, you can answer these following questions, or we can write down the given, class, for us to be guided. So, let's write down the given, class. So, we have given base salary. I will just write BS, class. We don't have enough space. Base salary, that's 4,500 pesos. Sir, what is base salary? Now, base salary, class, is the basic salary. It is the fixed amount, class, that Peter will receive per week. That is 4,500 pesos. And we also have the commission rate. That is 8%. So, commission rate, I will just write CR. Commission rate, that's 8%. To convert this one into decimal, class, 8%. Move the decimal point right to left twice. 1, 2. So, this will be 0.08. Once again, class, 8% is equivalent to 0.08 or 0.08. Alright, and we also have the total sales. So, total sales is equal to 24,600. Alright, so let's answer these following questions. Letter A, what is S? So, you can write it there, class. What was Peter's weekly salary if his total sales for the week were 24,600? Once again, class, we don't have enough space, class. We can just write Peter's weekly salary. So, we're told to find Peter's weekly salary. Alright, and what is the formula to be used? So, first thing, class, we need to find the commission of Peter's total sales. That would be 24,600. And once we get the commission, class, we need to add the commission plus the base salary. And that would be the Peter's weekly salary. Alright, so the formula to be used, first formula is we need to find the commission with regards to his total sales. So, commission is equal to the total sales multiplied by the commission rate. So, this will be our first formula. And the second formula for Peter's weekly salary. Alright, weekly salary, I will just put S is equal to the commission plus the base salary. And that would be Peter's weekly salary. Alright, and the solution. So, let's have the solution, class. First, we find the commission. So, commission, we don't have enough space, class. Let me just erase the given, class. You pause the video, class. These are the given. We have the base salary, 4,500. Commission rate, 8%. And the total sales, that's 24,600. Let me just erase this one, class, because we don't have enough space, class. So, we have... Alright, so let's start with the commission. Is equal to the total sales multiplied by the commission rate. Alright, so once again, our total sales, we have 24,600 pesos times the commission rate. Once again, 8%. 8% plus is the same with 0.08. You move the decimal point right to left twice. 1, then 2. Alright, let me just write 8% plus. So, 8% times 8%. Then this is 24,600 times 0.08. Once again, class, 8% is the same with 0.08. And this will be, use your calculator, class. So, this will be Alright, so this will be 24,600 times 0.08. The answer, class, is 1,968. The commission, class, is 1,968. Once again, class, this is not yet the final answer, class, because this one, class, is just the commission of Peter's weekly salary if the total sales is 24,600 pesos. This is just the commission, class. Now, to get Peter's weekly salary, so Peter's weekly salary is equal to the commission plus the base salary. Alright, so the commission is 1,968 plus the base salary, or the basic salary, 4,500. Alright, so add this up. 1,968 plus 4,500. And the Peter's weekly salary, class, that would be, so the answer, class, is equal to 6,468. Alright, so this is the final answer, class. So we don't have enough space. Let me just write it here. Our final answer, that would be 6,468 pesos. Alright, so that's it. That's the answer for example number 2. So you need to get the commission. And once you get the commission, you add the commission and the base salary. That would be Peter's weekly salary. And that would be 6,468 pesos. All set, class, for example number 2. Alright, let's have another example, class. Last example, class. Example number 3. Alright, so last example, class. Example number 3. What is the commission rate of sales agent who receive an amount of 5,600 pesos after selling in appliances that for a total amount of 122,800 pesos? Alright, so once again, you understand the problem. Next is you can write down the given, class, for us to be guided. So we have given commission. So commission is equal to 5,600. And we have given total amount, or the total sales, is equal to 122,800 pesos. Alright, so let's answer this one. Letter A, what is asked? So you are asked for the commission rate of the sales agent. So you can write it there, commission rate of the sales agent. Or we can just write commission rate, class. We don't have enough space, class. Let me just write commission rate. You are told to find the commission rate. So if you have enough space, class, you can write it there, commission rate of sales agent who receive an amount of 5,600 after selling appliances that for a total amount of 122,800 pesos. Or in shortcut, class, you're told to find the commission rate of the sales agent. So let me just write, class, commission rate. And what is the formula to be used? So we will be using this formula, the commission rate. Okay, so commission rate, I will just put CR, or let me just write C, then rate. Commission rate is equal to the commission divided by the total sales times 100%. Alright, and the solution. So let's have the solution here. So once again, the commission rate is equal to the commission. So our commission, class, once again, commission divided by total sales. Commission is 5,600. 5,600 divide the total sales, that's 122,000 pesos, 800, and then you multiply by 100, multiplied by 100%. So we can cancel pesos. So commission rate is equal to, divide this one, class, use your calculator. Alright, and then we will have 4 decimal numbers, class, for this one. So 5,600 divide 122,800. Alright, and our answer, class, will be 0.04560. So 0.04560. So once again, class, you need to have at least 4 decimal numbers. So after 6, that is 0. So we need to round down. Simply copy 6. Once again, class, if your answer is like this, class, you have decimals, you need to have, class, at least 4 decimal numbers. Alright, and then times 100. So multiply this one by 100%. Now when you multiply 100%, class, just simply move the decimal point left to right twice. 1, then 2. And our answer, class, for the commission rate is equal to 0.4. So you can write 0.4 0.56%, or just erase 0 class. That's okay class. Erase 0 class. Okay, 1, then 2. The point is here. So that would be 4.56%. Alright, so once again, times. So 0.0456. So 0.0456 times 100% times 100. The answer is 4.56. So 4.56%. So do not forget class. Do not forget class to put percent because you're looking for the commission rate. Alright, so the answer class, final answer, that would be 4.56%. That's it class, all set. And this will be our solution class for letter C. Alright, so I hope you learned something new today class. If you like this video class, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. You share it to your friends and to your classmates so that we can help more students. Once again class, this is Teacher MJ. Have a great day class. Goodbye for now. Bye-bye.